Hi, friends. It's me, Amy from Kids Hour. Do you know what makes you a superstar at home? Helping out with small chores. Let's learn how helping can be fun. When we help around the house, we make our home happy, clean, and full of teamwork. And guess what? It makes us feel proud and responsible too. Let's see what chores we can do today. Help your family every day in your own small, special way. Set the table, feed your pet, clean your toys, don't forget. Fold your clothes and sweep the floor. Helping hands can do much more. Teamwork makes our hearts so bright. Helping others feels just right. Here are some fun chores you can help with every day. Set the table for meals. Feed your pets on time. Fold your clean clothes. Put toys back after playtime. Water the plants with an adult's help. Let's do the Helping Hands Challenge. Can you do 3 small chores today? Ask your parents what you can help with and don't forget to smile while you do it. Yay! You are all helping heroes. Remember, friends, when you help others, you make the world a better, happier place. Helping hands, helping hearts. That's how every good day starts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more fun and learning on Kids Hour. Bye-bye!